Good evening again, Coinscrummers. Out here with Nick Gregory. Hi. Wonderful. Nice to speak with you again. Right, so can you tell a little bit to the Coinscrummers this evening, a little bit about yourself, who you work for, and what your role is, more important.
So I'm Nick Gregory. I'm the CEO of a company called CommerceBlock. We're a small company, so CEO just means writing code, doing admin, bit of architecture, doing presentations, stuff like this. And we're more well known for building Bitcoin infrastructure. Mostly Mercury Wallet is our kind of like key product we built. We built also other smaller things like Mainstay, we built side chains here and there. But you know, we're in the business of building Bitcoin infrastructure. And this year, our release is very much around Lightning. We're going to be releasing new Lightning products that fit inside the Mercury Wallet. And that's 90% of what the team's doing. It's 90% of our energy is. And we're seeing a lot of energy in the space. It's a bear market, but Lightning growth usage has gone up. That's normally what happens in bear markets. And you're seeing more and more peer-to-peer stuff happening, more people using Lightning for real-world use as opposed to just holding Bitcoin and hoping it price goes up. That's cool. It's been fun.
Yeah, and the thing is, as you said, in bear market, Bitcoiners are always building anyway. Yeah. Because as far as they're concerned, it's all a bear. Well, yeah, still. Yeah, right.
I think
so. Yeah.
I think in bull markets, it's all. I won't knock him, but it's all Michael Saylor. That kind of. We're going to 100k. We're going to 200k. When it's bear market, you're looking for real use cases.
Of course, 100%.
So one of the explosions of Bitcoin this year has been Nostra, but it's allowing a lot of people to build kind of like social media apps, peer-to-peer markets, and that's growing the usage of Lightning. I want to see Lightning being used. I mean, for me, Bitcoin sitting in a cold storage going up doesn't help my company. In fact, it's probably bad for my company. Maybe good for me personally, because I may have one Bitcoin or two, but not good for the business.
Okay. And what about the latest products or offerings that you've got? Because I know Mercury Wallet definitely, and the latest upgrade, because I've been on the website as well here, right? So what can you tell users that they have to expect coming maybe from Mercury Wallet like very, very soon? Got any alpha for us, basically?
Yeah, I mean, we are weeks away from releasing a Lightning implementation. And this is different than other Lightning implementations. It's not just we're connecting to the Lightning network. It's the wallet will have its own Lightning nodes inside it. Yeah. So, you know, we're fully...
speak about that earlier.
Yeah, we fully believe that, you know, just saying that you're non-custodial managing your private keys, that's not being your own bank. That's basically cool. It's cool that you're managing your own keys, but you're still trusting someone else. When you run a wallet that connects to your own Bitcoin node, runs its own Lightning node, you are your own bank. You don't have to trust anyone. I mean, I don't expect people to look at the source code and understand it, but you are self-sovereign. And with all that's happened last year, self-sovereignty is probably the most important thing. Whether you're left or right, if you're left, you hate the right, and if you're right, you hate the left. So you clearly don't trust the government. So there's a 50% chance there's a government you don't like. Hence, you need self-sovereignty right now.
Yeah, 100%. Okay, listen, Nick, thank you very much for your time, and hope to see you at more Coinscrums in the future. Coinscrummers, make sure you catch up with Nick. You can find CommerceBlock on all of the social media sites, and just search it in Google. Yeah, man, Bitcoin all the way.